Alright, well, we decided to put DMG's new little Daytona SportBike, or whatever the heck they're calling it, idea together, and see how the bikes competed stock for stock. There's been a lot of controversy surrounding whether or not Buell's 1125cc V-twin and Aprilia's 1000cc V-twin should be allowed to compete against 600s. In the Buell's case, they have almost double the displacement. Plus, as per the rules, they're allowed more modifications as far as the stock 600s or the Super Sport 600s that they're using. So we decided to take the Aprilia, the Buell, and the ZX6, which is the winner of our 600 shootout, and do a back-to-back comparison at the racetrack and see how they did in stock form to see if these DMG guys know what they're talking about or if they're just a bunch of, well, let's not say the rest.